Alright, that time of the month. This is, what is it, June? July? Shoot, I forget. I think it's July, right? Should be July. Julep. It's a lot smaller this month than what usually, since this is the box for a regular. This is this month's. Boop! Half the size, but whatever. Because this one is full of polish and not other stuff. Anyways, little box. Open sesame. Sparkle. Here's what I get. I changed it to mine. Well, this is the It Girl this month. So I like how it tells you, like, shows you a way you can wear them all together. So yeah, comes with Daphne, Kate, and Mila. Perfect. Well, it looks super cute inside. I love how they give little candies. Until what? These are atomic fire bombs. Last month they gave pixie sticks. It was really cute. It's your time to sparkle. Julep in July. Okay. And here we go. And this month they gave like an extra polish. So like you get 4 instead of 3. And I got the It Girl because all the other boxes were 2 polishes and a lip gloss, and I don't really wear lip gloss, so yeah. Here we go. Let's see if I can push this out. Ooh, this is pretty. This is Mila. It's like a multicolored glitter. You can see. Can you see? I don't know. I think you might have been, yeah, like that. It's cute. Like fine multicolored glitter. And then Kate, which is, oh, okay. So it's like a pearly white. You can see. I don't know, maybe. Hopefully it'll show up. But it's a pearly white color. And then let's see. Alright. Come on. Let me get out. Maybe I should take that off. Okay. And this is Daphne. It's a pretty, say, kind of like murky, seafoamy, I don't know. It's a color I'd wear. So those are the 3. The 3 that come with the It Girl. And then for July, they gave a bonus. It's this cool glitter. Like, what's it called? America. It's red glitter, and it's got like, it's really cute because it's got like little blue star glitters inside. Yeah. There we go. So yeah, 4 polishes. Oh yeah. For $20, so like $5 a piece. It's pretty nice. Yeah, that's it. July Julep box. Bye.